If you're like me, you probably added lots and lots of presets to procedural texture, one of the most powerful features in Affinity Photo. Well, if you have, you probably added them into a section such as this, basically a non-section. Well, you can move them around. All you need to do is go here, click there, and there's down the bottom, Manage Presets. So Manage Presets, simply select that, and then you'll see this long list of all your different presets you've created. So here, Noise 2. Well, I want to add it to my noise category. So I can simply select it and then just drag it down, and make sure you don't just drop it, because if you drop it, it will be in a different category. Go all the way down, and there you can see noise. And I can then simply just release, and then it's added now to the noise category. You can also, if you want, create a new category. So you might create obviously one associated with your name, or maybe with a certain thing like patterns or designs, textures, etc. Or create it, and then of course drag in the ones that you want to add to it. Then click close, and now in the actual there you can see noise. I've got noise 2, and there you can see the filter, and you can then of course modify it, change it, tweak it, and much more, as well as apply it. So click apply. Of course you might be turning around saying, well, how do I actually find the filter in the first place? Well, the key thing is make sure you've got a layer, fill it with black, that's a good start, and then go to filters, and then colours, and down here to procedural texture. And literally a million functions, different tools, features, all available, all via this presets. And again, simply go down and select your noise filter, and then modify the settings that you've created, maybe change channels, and also change the various input settings. And then again, click apply. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.